Namaskar and good morning everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all for this webinar on life and job opportunities in Japan. You are quite familiar with the words Doraemon or Doraemon, Shinchan, Pokemon. You know that all these are popular Japanese animated TV serials for kids. You are also familiar with Canon, which is Japanese multinational company for producing cameras and optical products. Then Toyota Motors, Toshiba Machines, Hitachi, which offers all electronic products. Then Honda Cars, Honda Motorcycles, Yamaha, Panasonic, all these are Japanese companies and more than 1500 Japanese companies are registered in India. Friends, while reading on internationalization of higher education, we realize that there are many job opportunities, there are many career opportunities available in Japan than European countries and USA. Moreover, getting jobs in Japan is easier, of course, with very handsome salary. Japan is a good destination for pursuing your higher education like post-graduation, PhD or postdoctoralship because there are many scholarships available easily. And so, to create awareness about this, we have organized this webinar on life and job opportunities in Japan. So friends, today we have with us the speakers who will be sharing their views on this topic in this webinar. Mr. David Chamberlain from Tokyo, Japan, Ms. Krishna Klapkar from Rakuten, Bangalore, Mr. Kunal Kakade from Rakuten, Tokyo, Japan. Both are working in the same company, but one is working in Japan and another is in India. We have also with us Professor M.J. Rathod from COEP, Pune, College of Engineering, Pune, Principal R.K. Jain from JSPM, Pune, and Mr. Ryo Tokunaga from Tokyo, Japan. On behalf of organizing committee and on my personal behalf, I express my sincere thanks towards each one of them for accepting our invitation and agreed to share their experiences with all of you. I welcome all of you for this webinar. We have also with us organizing committee, Mr. Chandrakant from Netherlands, Dr. Mangesh, Dr. Vijay, Sonal, Prasanna, Nitin, Ruturaj, Manas, Arundhati, Rishikesh and Professor Dilip. I also welcome all of you who are watching this webinar in large numbers on YouTube. Today is Guru Purnima, and so we remember and respect our teachers, our gurus who helped in shaping our lives. My school teachers, Deshpande sir, and my PhD guide, Professor Khokkar sir, are also watching this program, so I salute both of them on this occasion. Friends, you know that because of very large population, employability is a very big problem in India. After completing graduation or post-graduation, initial earning of the student is not more than 20 to 30,000 per month. And therefore, you will have to look another option which will satisfy your financial needs, which will give you better quality of life and of course the job satisfaction. You know that US has suspended H-1B, L-1 and other work visas, though for some times, but there have always been problem in getting US work visas. But this type of problem may not occur with Japan. Because I can say that Japan has put red carpet before us. Why Japan has changed mindset towards foreigners and ready to accept young minds, young students and young working people? This is because the life expectancy in Japan is very, very high. And that may be because their good life cycle and good medical facility available over there. And the birth rate is very, very low. And therefore, there are very less young people in Japan. You will find more than 50% Japanese are above 70 years old. And therefore, Japan needs young minds, young hands to expand their technology all over the world and to boost their economy. So what is the percentage that Indians will get jobs in Japan? And the answer is above 90%. If the result is above 90%, we feel happy. So I'm sure this answer also will make you happy. So why the percentage of getting jobs in Japan is very high? And the reason is unemployment rate in Japan is about 2%. So employment is easily available in Japan. There are many jobs available in almost all fields. Engineers are required in automobile, IT, electronics, design, graphic design, animation, food technology, construction, so civil engineers are required. Researchers are required for carrying out research in basic sciences. Then jobs are available in nursing field to look after old Japanese people. Then technicians, laborers and other administrative jobs are also available in large number in every sector. So if you want to go to Japan for your job prospects or for pursuing your higher education, then you will have to learn their work ethics and understand their culture. They are proactive, polite and very punctual. Sometimes you may find problem because of their punctuality. But if you are ready to understand their work culture, then it will be easy for you to cope up with the Japanese environment. And of course, you will have to learn their language, Japanese language. Because you being an engineer or any other graduate with the knowledge of English and you being an engineer or any other graduate with the knowledge of Japanese, there is a big difference. Namaskar. For
And
getting
good morning,
admission
everyone.
in
It gives
best
me immense
institution
pleasure to
or
welcome you
for
all
getting
for this
jobs,
webinar
you need
on
special
life
preparation
and
you
job
will have
opportunities
to
in
take
Japan.
special efforts.
You are quite
for
familiar with
clearing
the words
G, NET,
Doraemon
NEET,
or Doraemon,
CET,
Shinchan,
NET,
Pokemon,
SET.
You know
GATE,
that all these are
UPSC, MPSC or
popular
any other
Japanese
examination.
animated
You need
TV
special
serials
preparation.
for kids.
In the similar way,
You are also
for
familiar
getting jobs
with
in Japan,
Canon,
you need
which
special
is Japanese
preparation and that
multinational
is learning
company
of the
for
language,
producing
Japanese
cameras and
language.
optical products.
Ministry of
Then
Skill
Toyota
Development,
Motors,
Government of India has
Toshiba
launched
machines,
special
Hitachi,
program
which offers all
technical
electronic
internship program
products.
for Japan. And so
Then
through
Honda
this program,
cars, Honda motorcycles,
young people, young Indian people can
Yamaha,
go to Japan on
Panasonic,
an average
all
salary
these
of
are
1.5
Japanese companies
lakh.
and more than 1500
So
Japanese
these people
companies are registered
will
in
work
India.
in best infrastructure.
Friends, while
and
reading
will
on
learn best
internationalization
technology.
of higher education,
So
we
friends,
realize
once
that
again I
there are many
reiterate,
job opportunities.
see big
There are
dreams.
many career
Start
opportunities
thinking to take
available
one
in
step
Japan,
ahead,
then
one step
European
forward
countries
and consider
USA.
Japan as a new land of
Moreover,
opportunity.
getting jobs in Japan is easier.
Of course,
Go
with
there,
very hands
stay
and
there for
salary.
4-5 years.
Learn
Japan
best
is a good
technology
destination
and
for
of course
pursuing a
earn
higher
good amount of
education like
money.
post-graduation,
and then transfer
PhD
that
or
knowledge
postdoctoralship,
in Indian
because
industries
there are many
so
scholarships
that our
available
technology
easily.
will also get uplifted.
And so, to
With
create
these
awareness
words,
about this,
I
we have organized
once again
this
welcome
webinar
you all
on
for
life
this
and
webinar
job
and
opportunities
request
in
Professor Dilip
Japan.
for his welcome speech.
So
Thank you.
friends, today we have
Thank
with
you
us
and namaskar.
the speakers who will be sharing their views